Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about no sales on Amazon. Here's how to fix it. Let's get into it. I've been diving into a situation with an Amazon seller who's been facing some challenges with their sales. They reached out because despite all their efforts, there's been no movement on the sales front for weeks. So we took a close look at their product, which is a specialized application that connects to specific branded machines. They've put a lot of work into their listings, competitor research, price adjustments, and even optimized images, but nothing seems to be making a dent. It's puzzling, right? They even have a video campaign running, so what's going on? To start, I think it's essential to assess the product's positioning. It seems like they're trying to sell a small accessory without fully leveraging its connection to the main product. If customers are not familiar with this accessory or why they need it, it becomes a tough sell. My advice, focus on creating retargeting strategies. If someone has already purchased the main product, that's a prime opportunity to showcase this accessory. We can set up display targeting ads that reach past purchasers. Ideally, we want to ensure that when customers buy product A, they're also seeing ads for product B, the accessory. It's also important to talk about A+ content and how that can enhance visibility. Do they have engaging A+ content that tells a story around these products? It's vital to link these accessories to their main products in the content and include a product grid to show other related items. This is often overlooked but can significantly impact cross-selling. I would emphasize the importance of having a well-structured product grid. It can increase chances of conversion. Another angle we should explore is whether this accessory is compatible with any popular non-brand products. If it works with other well-known brands, that opens up a whole new market. I'd suggest reaching out to the client to compile a list of these compatible products. This could help tailor our advertising efforts even further, targeting those specific customers who might not yet know they need this accessory. If they confirm it's compatible with other brands, then we can expand our advertising strategies to include those products. This gives us a larger audience and boosts the chances of sales. It's crucial to have clarity on this before moving forward with any campaign. Let's keep these strategies in mind as we work together. It's about connecting the dots between the main product and the accessory, utilizing targeted advertising, and leveraging A+ content effectively to drive those sales. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.